How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to
GUI
Showcase.
GUI Showcase is when I show you one of my personal GUI projects that I created during my free time. Alright, let's get straight to the code. For today's GUI Showcase, I will be showing my personality quiz based off the best anime ever, Dragon Ball Z. Sorry, Chris and Malik. Alright, let's run our program. So when our program first starts, we have three panels. We have our top, middle, and bottom panel. For the top panel, we have our title, of course, Dragon Ball Z personality quiz. For our middle panel, we have our image that asks who matches your personality. This image was created in PowerPoint. Then in our bottom panel, we have two buttons, the start game button and the exit game button. Also, when you hover your mouse over each button, the mouse or the arrow will move with the mouse. So start game, end game. Start game, end game. Start game, end game.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
So when we click start game, we have up to 3 quizzes you can choose from. We have the Vegeta and Goku quiz, the Krillin and Android 18 quiz, and the Piccolo and Beerus quiz. First, we're going to go with the Vegeta and Goku quiz. So when you click on this quiz, you have Goku on the left and Vegeta on the right. Then we also have our question that we need to answer. And on top of that, we have the classic DBZ song playing in the background. So the first question says, if someone asked you for help on your homework, what would you do? On their homework, what would you do? I would happily help them. Do you practice your skills to be better than everyone or just someone else? I practice to be the best. Have you ever met your father? Yep. And when you compete, is it for your own amusement or is it because you desire to be the best? I want to compete until I reach my limits.
My name is Goku, and I'm from Earth. I get goosebumps every time I fight. Let's go!
What do you know? I'm a Goku. Hey, let's run the Vegeta and Goku quiz again. This time, let's say, I would tell them to get lost. I practice to be better than someone else. And yes, I have met my father. And I compete to be better than Kakarot.
If I have to fight Kakarot, the first thing I'm going to do is punch him in the gut. Oh man, no mercy. Let's settle this, Kakarot!
So now I'm a Vegeta. There's one more special answer you can get when you answer the Vegeta and Goku quiz. So let's start again. Let's say I would happily help them. Someone else. No, I don't know what he looks like. And then I want to be better than Kakarot.
Alright! We're a merged fighter, a combination of Vegeta and Kakarot. Vegito!
So, if your answers are evenly Goku and or Vegeta answers, then you get either Vegito or Gogeta as your result. And for those of you who don't know anything about Dragon Ball Z, there's a technique they use called fusion, and they merge into one fighter. So now let's try the Krillin and Android 18 quiz. We have Android 18 on the right, Krillin on the left. For the first question, it says, is your partner better than you expected? Well, I'm currently single, but for today's video, I'm going to say I love them just the way they are. Do you consider yourself alpha or beta? I'll say alpha. Is your partner taller than you? No.
I don't see what all the fuss is about. Later.
Well, I guess I'm Android 18. And for the last quiz, let's do Piccolo and Beerus. Do you love pizza? I mean, who doesn't? If you had the power to, would you destroy everyone that annoyed you? I'll let him slide. I'll let him slide. Would you rather meditate or eat at a buffet until you exploded? Yeah, I'd rather eat at the buffet.
I guess I'll destroy you now.
Dang, it's like that? If you'd like to see more of my GUI showcase, comment below. And don't forget to leave a like. Alright, thank you for watching.